Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with another sketchbook painting, and I'm going to be painting bougainvillea flowers today. This is also my first time painting them, so I'm not too sure how it turned out, but I kind of like how it looked like with the background behind. So we're going to start with the landscape and the background first. I'm going to paint the sky in cold gray, and towards the bottom we're going to have like a bush or like a little hedge here. So we're going to start with cold gray on top, and then as we reach the bush we're going to add ivory white, and then we're going to blend the sky into one smooth gradient from cold gray to light gray. Because I want this to be like a moody background, so I'm going to mix Payne's Grey with Mighty's Green for the bush. I'm using a wool brush and I'm just moving it in circular motions and slowly make my way until this whole part here is covered. For this bush, I also want to leave like a little spot in the middle on the left side, and I'm going to paint that in a lighter shade of green. For now, what I want to do is just map out the colors, and we're going to let the paint dry and we're going to paint the road below the bush. So I'm going to stick to this theme of colors, and I'm going to mix portrait tone with cold gray for the road. To separate it up a little bit, I'm going to add just a bit of Payne's Grey in the middle, and I'm going to continue to blend it until the paint is evenly spread out. Once that is done, we're going to go and continue to work on the bush. So on that patch where I kept it light, I'm going to add a little bit of light green so that it kind of separates it up a little bit and you have like a little glow on the side of the bush. And I'm going to continue to put paint over the first layer to smoothen it out, and then what I want to do is I want to blur it, and I'm going to use a wool brush for this. I'm going to mix a bit of light grey with ivory white, and on top of the bush I'm going to blend it by moving it in circular motions, and I'm going to soften it so that you can't see any like hard lines, and you get this blurred out effect by making it look like one gradient from the sky to the bush. Next, I'm going to add a lamppost here. I'm going to use cold gray, and I'm just going to add a few, like one little bouquet light at below in portrait tone and 2 white lights on the lamppost. So on the right bottom corner, I want to add like a little bush here, and I'm going to use a wool brush. First I'm going to add dark green, then around the edges I'm going to soften it with portrait tone and grey, so it looks a bit blurred out. And in the middle I'm just going to add like specks of pink, and I'm also going to blur it out by using the wool brush to dab it to soften it. Because we're going to be painting just like a little branch of bougainvillea flowers, so this little blurred out bush at the corner will add a little bit of depth to the overall painting so that the branch wouldn't look too out of place by itself. Once that is done, I'm going to draw this branch in green, kind of like facing downwards, and I'm going to draw the petals of the bougainvillea flowers. It's because the shape of the petals are like little leaves bunched up together, so I'm going to start by drawing shapes of these leaves, and I'm going to kind of like make it flow along the way I drew the branch. So if the branch is facing downwards, then the flowers face downwards. If it's curved, then it's going to be like curved upwards or sideways. So the colors that I've chosen for the flower petals are leaning towards the pink side. I'm using white with portrait tone, and for the darker petals I'm mixing pink with purple pale and a dash of portrait tone. So we're going to paint each petals individually, and then the ones at the bottom we're going to paint it in purple pale mixed with portrait tone to get the darker shade. And then as we move upwards, we're going to make the petals lighter, so we're going to use more pink, portrait tone and white. So as I've mentioned earlier, the bougainvillea flower looks a little bit similar to leaves. So there's this kind of like a little stem in the middle of each petal, and we're going to draw that in green mixed with purple and kind of just make it a little bit more subtle. So we're going to draw this line in the middle of each petal and soften it with a little bit of purple, and then in the middle of each flower bunch there's like this little antenna things, and we're going to draw that in the middle of each flower. So I'm going to slowly work my way up this branch, and I'm going to start painting the flowers in the lighter shade of portrait tone plus white, and repeat the steps by drawing that little line in the middle of each petal and those little antennas in the middle of each flower bunch. Once that is done, we're going to connect these flower bunches to the stem. I'm going to be using the same color, which is Mighty's green. So we're going to connect them to the stem over here, and then for the next step we're going to add the leaves. So for the leaves, I'm using the same colors. I'm using Mighty's green mixed with just a little bit of Prussian blue to get a nice teal shade, and for the highlights of it I'm going to add a little bit of light green. And after this step, it is finished. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.